This is the journal. I refer to it as. It's the podcast that we do here at the Vance Center. And this morning we're going to televise this information pertaining to what you do, pertaining to your profession and so forth.
Okay.
Uh, Tell us, what is your full name, and also what is the name of your organization?
Okay. My name is Carolyn Bailey. I am a licensed esthetician and massage therapist at Revive Aesthetic Spa that I own. The address is 412 Easton Road in Willow Grove, PA.
Now, just exactly where is that location near?
Yeah. So it is about a quarter of a mile past the Willow Grove Mall going north on
Okay.
611.
Right. And I'm sure if they put that into their iPhone, the location, GPS, they'll be able to find it.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
yeah, yes.
sure.
And it's on the left hand side. It's a really bright. I purposely made it a bright yellow sign that says Revive Aesthetic Spa on the left side as you're
Okay.
going down. Can't
Very
miss
good. Very good.
it. Mm-hmm.
Matter of fact, I go there myself.
That's right. You're a customer.
For massages.
Mhm.
Just exactly what is a massage?
Yeah. So a massage is a number of things, but it's a technique and a modality
Mm-hmm.
of alternative medicine that can be used to help people to relax, to increase circulation, to depending on the different techniques that I use, can also help to eliminate or reduce inflammation in your limbs, and also just overall make you feel more vital because
Okay.
because blood and oxygen is being flowing. It's flowing more increasingly while I'm working with you.
So it's a good therapy for keeping your health in
Yes.
check, and also to keep you looking towards a long, healthy life.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
It does it does also help to increase, like I was saying, with the blood and oxygen going through your system. It hits every organ in your body.
Okay. Now,
So,
when you say every organ in your body, go ahead.
okay.
Explain that.
So every organ meaning it will help for your blood flow through your heart,
Okay.
through your kidneys, your liver, your lymphatic system,
Okay.
your nervous system.
Now, when you say lymphatic, your lymphatic system, explain what you mean by that.
Yeah, so we have lymph nodes throughout our body, different areas in our body.
Mm-hmm.
So there are certain techniques that I do in different areas of your body, say up in your upper chest here,
Okay.
above your clavicle, which is the bone that's right above your chest, going towards your neck. Right there is lymphatic system. You have lymph nodes there. So I may do a certain technique right in that area to help to flush those lymph nodes
Okay.
during the massage. There's also through your arms, your legs, there's lymph nodes all throughout your body. So as I'm producing and performing the massage, you may feel certain sensations, meaning you may feel like maybe something is flowing a little faster through your body,
Right.
and that's your blood and oxygen just really just getting accelerated throughout your
Okay.
body, and throughout that also helps your whole system to calm down, to relax. And even sometimes during the session, I may ask you to take a couple deep breaths just to kind of decompress from the world outside. I need you to get into a zen mood, to just really focus in on you, because that's really the time at that time for the massage is for you.
Okay. And it's also important for people who are not only young people, but also elderly people that are going through that.
Oh yes. I mean, I okay, I can work on anyone 18 and older. So that is the boundaries that my license covers. And up to, I mean, I have worked on my mother, matter of fact, who was over 90 years old. And so, of course, depending on the needs of the person, my client, and also their age, and also what they like. So some of the questions I may ask you when you first come to me is, what brought you here, first of all?
Okay.
Is it that you just like massage, you just like to relax and rest and relaxation? A lot of people start off saying that, and then as I talk with them, they'll say, oh, last night I was sleeping a certain way and my neck started hurting. So then it's your neck is giving you some issues, and I'll do certain techniques and certain strokes around your neck to help to stretch it, to relax it, and through different motions, it helps to just open up the fascia. The fascia is your tissues.
Yes.
So it helps to open up that fascia and allow that blood and oxygen to flow through that area, and your body really can help to heal itself in many, many different ways, and that's one of them is through massage. But the lymphatic system is a really important one. You want to keep that area, the areas in your body that have lymph nodes, nice and flushed out of toxins.
Right. So a massage can help you not only health-wise, but it also can give you some longevity in your life.
I believe so.
Matter of fact, your father's 102 years old, isn't he?
Yes, and he does at times. I do work with him. I don't necessarily give him a full body, but he may say sometimes my hip is hurting because he's now, unfortunately, he's more stationary and sedentary. But even with that, you can still help. You can help clients or patients in the hospital. You just have to kind of target certain areas when you're more restricted in those ways.
Okay, so how often should a person get a massage?
Yeah. So, listen, I have to tell you, I have clients that come to me every 2 weeks.
Okay.
So, now those clients really are dedicated to receiving the benefits of massage. Like I was saying, some of the benefits before. So, at this time in their life, they are, mature people, so they feel it's very beneficial to get there every 2 weeks. Personally, what I recommend on most part is once a month.
Okay.
But if you want to come to me every 2 weeks, every once a week, I don't really, however often you'd like to come, I'm here. I'm ready for you.
Okay. I can give you a personal response in terms of that very answer that you just gave. I usually get mine once a month.
Yes.
And I found that it is very beneficial. And that's a direct testimony coming from someone who does suffer from arthritis and also spinal stenosis. And it has been very, very helpful for me. Now that's a direct
thank you
for your organization.
Yes.
You do facials also, is that correct?
Yes.
And how do you do those facials?
Yes, so usually the facials last it depends on what you ask for. If it's a full facial, it will last at least an hour. It may last extended time, maybe an hour and 15, hour and a half, depending on what the request is. I also have an express facial that's 35 minutes. So the express facial does not entail everything.
Matter of fact, you have some pictures of a facial, don't you?
Oh yeah, so this is one picture of a client receiving a facial. Actually, this is the part of the facial where it's an exfoliating mask. Okay. So that white substance on her face is exfoliating. It's a mask that helps to detox the skin, which is a really nice. It's really nice to get a facial. It's nice to detox your skin. And when I say detox from the toxins that we experience coming into our skin, whether we know it or not. As soon as we walk out the door, uh, we are exposed to pollution,
Okay.
and also we get toxins in our skin through stress.
Okay.
So stress, unfortunately, does make our body release toxins into our body.
Okay.
So massage and for facials, you need to release and get those toxins out of your body.
Is that a picture of one of your customers also, or just a
No,
model?
it's a general. These
This
are general. These are
And
general.
what is that
No,
one?
this one is the massage. A lady receiving massage. She is on her tummy here and really just getting prepared to get started with the massage.
Okay.
So as you can see, she is trying to get herself relaxed and in that Zen mode that I was telling you about.
Okay.
And with everyone's hustle and bustle and all these things that are going on in this world right now, that's the reason why, one of the reasons why I got into the field of massage and facials, because it's just unbelievable amount of stress.
In terms of reflexology, you mentioned reflexology, and what is reflexology and how does that function?
Yeah, so reflexology is a study of different techniques, again, and during a massage, where I will touch pressure points in your body, mainly your hands and your feet. So you can get reflexology as an addition to getting a full body massage. Now, during my full body massage, I do some pressure point techniques in different areas. You have pressure points all throughout your body. As I go to your feet, I do some reflexology during that 1 hour massage or 1.5 hour massage.
Right.
But if you request reflexology by itself, you'll get a half an hour of just reflexology on your feet.
Yes.
And the importance of that is there are a ton of nerves under your feet.
Yes.
And on top of your tops of your feet.
And I believe down in your office you have a picture of those too.
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Because I really am trying to, as I'm working with you, as you know, Oscar, we talk during your massage sometimes about different health reasons of the benefits of massage. And through our conversation, I've referred to that poster up in my room, because under the balls of your feet, the heel of your feet, all through your toes, and right in the front part of the ball of your foot,
Okay.
there's so many different pressure points to really focus on different parts of your body. So depending on what area of the foot I'm touching, it actually will work and help to accelerate the function of different glands in your body. So,
And you refer to the different glands. What type of glands are in relationship to reflexology are located in your foot?
right. So there's different glands, there's organs, more so organs, I would say, and then also your skeletal. So in massage, I'm not only just working with your muscles, but as I'm working with your muscles, I'm also working along the your skeletal system. So, if it's your arm, I'm working all the way down your arm, and then there are different pressure points in your arm. But if I'm working for reflexology, if I'm working on your foot, there's certain areas in your foot that actually will connect to your hands, because the nervous system is all connected, as they say. Everything's connected. But the nervous system, the pressure points to your foot could connect to something in your shoulder, or it could affect something in your kidney, or your heart, or your spleen. All the different glands, organs are all connected to that foot, and I can really touch them in a certain way with reflexology.
Okay. So they're very important aspects of your organs within your body
Yes.
that are connected with reflexology.
Yes. Very, it's tightly connected, and also a lot of people just come to me just for reflexology.
Okay.
They really see they feel the connection. Again, as I'm working with certain areas of your body, I'm hitting certain pressure points.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes, I don't know, you may see that I'm pressing a little deeper. So there's different kinds of massage. There's Swedish massage, which is more like gliding
Right.
type strokes. But then there are, for deep tissue, I might hit some pressure points that are going a little deeper into certain areas of your body, and that really is to try to push along the toxins out of your body.
Okay.
So at the end of the massage, I always tell you, make sure within the next 24 to 48 hours, drink plenty of water. And the reason why I'm saying that is because I have worked with your fascia, which is the tissues around your muscles
Right.
and your skeleton, and the toxins are now, I've warmed them up and they're more free flowing in your
Right.
system. I need you to drink plenty of water to flush
Okay.
flush that out of your system.
Right.
And that's why the evening after your massage, you sleep better, your digestion is increased, your heart is more relaxed, so it should function at a more optimal mechanism of action.
Right.
Your nervous system is rebalanced because
Right.
throughout that whole hour you're relaxing. Even if you sat at home in a dark room, just in a chair, in a, say, a lazy boy chair, and just close your eyes in meditation, that's another alternative medicine. Your nervous system and your blood pressure will lower. Well, during a massage, your blood pressure also lowers.
Right.
So, and that also connects to your nervous system. So you can see how all these things kind of work together.
Yes.
And it's a system. It's a system.
Yes. I can identify with a lot of things that you were just saying because, I mean, I practice and I'm also involved in the practice of hypnotherapy.
Yes.
And in that field, in terms of stress management, is the very same thing that you're talking about when you go into a location, whether it be in a very comfortable chair, relaxing yourselves, and then focusing in on your favorite place of relaxation. And it's the very same thing that you were just speaking of in terms of reflexology and also massage, in terms of those things that you're asking the person to focus in on during the course of that session. Okay, now one other thing that I always stress, and I'm sure you do too, is when you talk to your people, you tell them also that if you don't have your health, you have nothing.
Nothing.
Okay? So the importance of doing what you're just speaking of in terms of reflexology, and also the area of massage, and also facials and things of that nature, we may look at that as a cost, or some people might say, oh boy, that's expensive to do that, isn't it? Well, if you don't have your health, you have nothing.
Right.
So on that note, what are some of the costs of what you're speaking of?
So, well, let me just first say, your health, there should be no, I mean, of course, anything that's totally out of range, I would not recommend. But for your health, it's nothing is too much for your health.
Correct.
Because as you were saying, you can have all the money in the world and have not good health.
Correct.
You can't have a quality of life with that.
Yes.
So, to answer your question directly, it depends on what service you request.
Okay.
So I have various different massages, a number of them. But my base classic massage that I always recommend, especially if it's someone who's never exposed to massage therapy, would be my 1 hour Swedish massage. My 1 hour Swedish massage currently is $110.
Okay.
And that is very, very, actually, it's very conservative as far as price goes if you compare it to some of the competitors in the area.
Yes. Very good.
And what you do receive with the massage, you're not only getting the massage itself, but some of the techniques that I use along with that to adjunct and add on to the relaxation and to the full potential that the
Right.
massage can do for you is I also have hot towels
Yeah.
that I apply.
Mm-hmm.
And depending on if you tell me specific areas that are of problem to you, I will also add specific oils that are targeted towards relaxing the muscle, and especially if there's sore muscles, strained muscles, or say, for example, as you were saying, some people may have arthritis
Yes.
or tendonitis in certain areas that
Yes.
cause stiffness. And there are certain oils that you can add on your body and that is absorbed through the skin
Okay.
that helps to lessen the pain. So I do that at different times during the
Okay.
massage, depending on what the request is.
Correct. So then you have like a menu or a fee schedule for those things, for reflexology, for massage, for all the other.
Yes, all
things
of
that
that.
you
Well,
just
my
said.
basic,
Yes.
my basic classic fit massage is 110.
Right.
Starting at that, as I was saying, now I could also do deep tissue massage.
Yes.
I do an Ayurvedic massage, which is using a lot of those blended oils that will address certain affected areas that you are asking me to pay attention to. And when I say that, every person that comes to see me, as you know, every
Yes.
week, even though I see you once a
Right.
month, every
Sure.
time I see you, I say, "What's bothering you today?"
Correct.
So I just need to know, because as we know, as we mature, one day you could feel fantastic, and the next day
Right.
something could just bother you, ache.
Okay.
So, we have to be thankful that we can breathe and walk and eat on our own. So we're thankful for that. But as we know, our bodies, they do have sometimes problems that we can do other things naturally. That is why I got into the area of massage, is because my previous work that I worked in organizations, I started to see a lot of younger people, not older people, younger people with numerous disease states that maybe for no fault of their own, but in some cases, a lot of times it was their lifestyle.
Right.
So it's really important to be aware of your health and not take it for granted, even though you're young. Because I'm telling you, it was a lot of people that had 4 and 5 disease states that, not saying that they wouldn't ever get them, but
Yes.
they surely shouldn't have had them.
You mentioned several things in reference to your health and an individual's health that you're working with, or customers' health that you're working with. And I'm sure many of them have different ideas in terms of what they should be asking you for and so forth. Is there any other recommendations that you can advise to the customer that they should let you know, or anything that you would let them know in reference to
Yes.
what you're doing now?
That's a very good question, Oscar. And massage it's really important. I always have a consultation form
Very good.
that you fill out, and it asks specific questions about your health. It may ask certain things like if you've ever had an operation. Do you have high blood pressure? Are you diabetic? Some of those questions, I know they're private, but I do need to know because of reactions. Maybe
Sure.
there's some things that I can't do that you may want, but because you have high blood pressure, I can't really do that. You may have fallen down the steps 2 weeks ago, or even 3 days ago. If it was 2 weeks ago, I could possibly give you a massage. But if it was 2 or 3 days ago, I may not, because you may have too much inflammation at the time, and a massage would not be the best course of action at that time. It'd probably be better to visit your local physician or hospital. So that's a good question. Those are some things that initially, when I first meet you, you will fill out that consultation form
Okay.
for a massage or a facial.
Mhm.
For facials, it's really important for me to get that information because women and men, I do women, as far as giving facials as well as men. Um, you may be visiting a dermatologist currently, and there may be some medications or some topical that ointments that you're putting on your skin that I need to be aware of because I don't need to have interactions with what I'm using. Now, the products that I use, this is what I really want to stress. With my facials, I use products that are all natural and organic.
Okay.
And the companies, the brands that I use stress that very highly, and they stand on that. So their brand has been successful for numerous years because of that, and widely used in the esthetician world.
Yes.
For massage, I also use a product that is natural and use oils to work in conjunction with the cream or the oils. So so usually I don't have any problems with anyone breaking out or anything like that with any products that I use for massage or for facials. One thing I wanted to mention, we did discuss a lot of things that I offer with massage. With facials, I have a lot of people come to me for facials specifically if they're working on certain problems with their skin.
Okay.
So sometimes it could be just a matter of maintenance, just so their skin can look vital and refreshed, and and keep their youth.
Yes.
I mean, that's really what we're trying to our main goal. But then there are times when there's special occasions. It could be an anniversary, a birthday, a family reunion, a class reunion. I've had people come to me for all various different reasons why they want their face to look nice and present themselves as best as possible. It could be just their form of job that they do. If they're working with the public, they may want their skin to look as optimal as they possibly can.
Good.
And for women, facials are very beneficial when you're applying makeup.
Okay.
So I'm working with the skin, and that's really what my focus is.
Okay.
In the esthetician license, I can also apply makeup. I can do lashes, but I choose to only work with the skin and the health of the skin.
Okay.
I do have other artists that can come to Revive Aesthetics if you're interested in makeup or lashes. Actually, I do have a lash artist on site that does makeup, professional makeup. So that's someone that I would refer you to if that was something that you were interested in. The other thing is we have a capacity of having programs or events at our space. So there are 2 other businesses right on the same site as as where Revive Aesthetics is at 412 Easton Road. There's L Aesthetics, and then there is, like I was saying, there's the lash artist. So I want you all to keep that in mind, because if you're planning to have a girls' night out or some type of focus group, if you would like to do a presentation there, we have space that can allow that to happen. And that's just something, a matter of planning and calling and making that appointment to set that up.
So then you have a facility where you can have a group come in and actually have a facial party.
Have a facial party,
like that,
massage party. We've had yoga events there, which has been a lot of fun. And again, all of these are alternative types of medicine to help with your overall health and well-being. Because my aim and my goal and really with my main goal for being in business is really just to focus on helping a person's mind, body, and their soul.
And for those that want to contact you for
Mhm.
service, where should they contact and what
Sure.
communication should they have with you?
Okay. You can reach me various different ways. My phone number, business line is 267-495-4778. You can call me. And if I am involved in a session at that time, please leave a message with your name and phone number, and I'll be glad to get back to you to schedule you in. I also am easily found on Google. You just type in Revive Aesthetic Spa and it should pop right up. And you'll see everything, my website and all services that I offer. And you can also book yourself, schedule a time right online. You just manipulate the different sections of the website, and you can do that for yourself, or you can call me.
All right, and you want to mention your name again?
Sure, my name is Carolyn Bailey, and I'll be glad to work with you, and whether it's a massage or a facial.
Okay, very good. All right, for those customers who are out there, please contact Carol Bailey for your facial massage or your reflexology or anything else that you would like to do in that field. She is the best, and make sure that you contact her for her services.
Thank
you.
Thank you, Oscar. That was great.